Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you guys are doing really great. My name is Sardar Hamza, your English instructor from tutoria.pk, and I am back with our chapter number 3 with lots of new information and lots of new concepts grammatically as well as generally. Students, our chapter number 3 actually consists of dialogue between a teacher and her students in a classroom environment on a very important topic, media and its impact. चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमारे लिए ये जानना बहुत ही जरूरी है कि डायलॉग राइटिंग है क्या और इसका फॉर्मेट क्या है. स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये था छोटा सा इंट्रो. लेट्स सी व्हाट बेसिकली डायलॉग राइटिंग इज.